Hi guys, this is Bella again, your trusted real estate person. So we're here at Fairgrounds, located in Mabiga, Mabalacat, Pampanga. So tara, check natin yung single attached na mga bigger lot area and floor area. This one is Belicia model unit. So may mga available tayo from 130 to 150 plus na square meter lot area. So mga RFO or ready for occupancy na to. So mga naghahanap na mga makakalipat agad, so this one is perfect. So here, you have your front yard. Imagine mo, yung lot area mo dito, sobrang laki talaga. So you can have your garden or coffee table in front. And your parking area. So I think you can have two vehicle here or two pickup truck. And since single attached to, you have your open space here sa setback. So this one is actually available near lang siya sa gate. So yun yung gate natin. So imagine mo, yung property line mo is up here siya. You can have your dirty kitchen, laundry area. You can do some expansion here as well. Okay? So check natin yung banda dito. So yan, yung property line natin is from here. Ito mismong firewall mo. And then, syempre kung mag-expand ka dito, is kailangan mo mag-build ng another wall. Pero it's really big. Okay? So, ito yung mga naghahanap ng malalaking lot area. And single attach. So, tara, check natin siya sa loob. You have your lanai area here. Okay. So, before we enter, just wanna show you their main door. It's a steel. Okay? So inside, it's fully finished, nakatiles na, may high ceiling tayo. So you can have your living area here. And imagine mo, ang laki na magiging dining area. I think you can have at least 4 to 6 seater here. That's your lanai area there. And ang gusto talaga ng mga client ko dito, especially for seniors or wanted to have a room on the ground floor. So here, may room tayo sa baba. Think you can have queen size here. See? So, meron din siyang toilet and bath. So, here naman sa kitchen area, this one is included for countertop. May outlet din siya. Meron, pwede niyong gawin pantry area or storage itong ilalim ng stairs. And stairs because made cement. So, maglo-long last talaga siya. Okay? Ito, yung setback niya. Ito yung access niyo for in and out. I'm sorry, I think nakalock siya. Ayun. Oops. Well, nakalock siya. Pero ito yung tinignan natin sa likod. Okay? May access siya dito. So, let's go. Check natin yung sa taas. Okay, so it's stiff yung stairs niya, no? So, let's see first their master bedroom. Okay, wow. You can have your king size bed here. Dami yung outlet. 1, 2, may mga aircon outlet din. Ito pa. Yan. See? And may common access toilet and bath siya dito. Pero ang laki. Kasi ano siya, connected din siya sa hallway. So here, two-door sa master bedroom. Ito is connected sa hallway. So it's a common. You see? Okay. Let's go back dito sa master bedroom. I want to show you the balcony. Still door din to. Still door din siya. Lahat ng door nila. I think hindi lahat. Ito yung mga nasa sa labas lang. So, yan. Okay? Now, let's check the second bedroom. Dito tayo sa second bedroom. Ito. Ito malaki din siya, no? Queen size, I think. But it's really spacious. Natural lighting. Marami siyang window. Third bedroom, perfect for office room. I think single bed. Yeah, storage, walk-in closet, di ba? Okay. So guys, check natin yung mga available pa. It's just a few units. By the way, I want to highlight yung widen road nila. So this one is an exclusive community. Nothing fancy, wala silang amenities. But if you want something to live quiet, near SM Clark, near NLEX, SCTEX, and Clark, malapit talaga to sa lahat. Okay? So ito, it's ongoing. Patapos na siya. 3 to 4 months on turnover. This one, it has 152 square meter lot area. Ayan. So, etong mga banda dito are available pa. May mga 130 square meter. So, depende naman yan. So, may choices kayo kung ilang square meter ang pipiliin nyo. So, palabas tayo ng subdivision. Ipapakita ko yung sa loob ng subdivision, yung wide ng roads, and yung gate hanggang paglabas. Gaano kalayo yung subdivision ni Fairgrounds from the MacArthur Highway. Yan. So, marami na nakatira dito. Ang nagustuhan ko din dito kasi mahalaman. So, ito na yung main road. Palabas. So, secured subdivision din to. May mga sticker yung mga homeowner dito, each vehicle. Kapag wala, kailangan nyo mag-iwan ng ID. So, yan. So, sa labas ng subdivision, so ito yung road going sa MacArthur Highway ng Mabiga, Mabalacat. So, ita-timer natin siya kung ilang minutes at gaano kalayo siya going sa highway. So dito, marami ding mga stores, left and right. So ayan, nasa highway na tayo. Ayan, may 7-Eleven siya sa kanto. So less than 5 minutes, no? Nasa MacArthur Highway na tayo. So, i-check natin ano pa yung mga madadaanan natin or yung mga nearby. So, ipapakita ko yung, eto, may Shell sila dito, Dunkin Donut. And malapit to sa NLEX and going to Clark. So, ikot lang tayo dito. Pakita ko yung hypermarket, hospitals, church, marami pang iba. Schools. Yan. Ito is the school. Children of Fatima from kinder to high school. Private school po yan. So, umikot lang tayo dahil merong daan dyan na yan, yung nakaharang na color yellow. Yan. Merong South's Drug dyan. Yan. May Cebuana, LBC. So, marami. Accessible siya. So, ito na yung SCTEX. I think wala pa nga tayong 5 minutes eh. Ayan na, SCTEX na yan. Going to Bataan, Subic, Clark Airport. So, marami siyang way. Ito siya mismo. Naharang lang siya ng gate. Pero yan na. Pasok lang kayo dyan. Ito naman si Mary Help of Christian School. So dito is girls only. Hanggang high school na rin siya. And ito naman si San Rafael. It's a Catholic church. Okay. So, ito naman is si hypermarket. So, lahat dyan is, yan, dyan na lahat. So, imagine mo, less than 10 minutes is, ayun na sa SM hypermarket eh. Okay. And meron silang Skytech dito. Andito na yung PNB Bank, may mga 7-Eleven, restaurants, coffee shops, BPO office as well. Yan. Ang jeep din natin dito is 24 hours. Hanggang ano na siya, Balibago. And going to SM Clark. And ayan, may nearby Jollibee. May ATM din dyan. And ito, yung nearby hospital na St. Raphael Foundations. So this one is a private hospital. Ayan siya. And ayan naman si McDo.